Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Java tutorial. In the last video we have seen for loop concepts in Java, and in this video we are going to discuss about while and do while loop. While and do while loop. Okay, so this is an algorithm of while loop. First we have to initialize a variable with some value, and you have to start your while loop here with a condition, and inside the block of while loop you should add the code that needs to be executed along with increment or decrementing the initialized variable. So this is the basic structure of while loop. First you have to initialize a variable with some value, and you have to start a while loop with some predefined condition, and inside the while loop you should add a set of statements that need to be executed along with either increment or decrementing the initialized value depending upon your requirement. So the compiler will go and initialize the variable, and it just go to this while loop and check if the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then it go here and execute this statement, and at the same time it either increment or decrement depending upon what operators you have given inside the block. After that it will go again, and after incrementing or decrementing it will go again and check the condition, and if the condition is true it execute it again and do the increment or decrement, then again check the condition. So it will keep on checking the condition until the condition become false. So once the condition is false, it will come out and break the while loop. So this is the algorithm of how while loop works. So let's write a simple while loop. First I initialize a variable I with value, let's say 1. So now I will start a while loop. So to start a while loop you have to use a keyword while, and you have to give the condition. I want to print number from 1 to 20. So the number should be lesser than 21. And here I am printing, during each iteration I am printing the variable I. After printing the variable I am incrementing the variable by +1. So this is a very simple for loop. What happens means, first it will get initialized as we see in the algorithm. This is what this initialization is doing. It will get initialized, and here while in the while loop we have add a condition here. So this condition will get executed first. First it will compare 1 is lesser than 21. Of course it return true, so it will enter and execute this block. First it will print the I value, and it will change the value of I from 1 to 2 because of this increment operator, and again it will go here and check the condition whether 2 is lesser than 21, and this return true, it execute it. So up to 20 it will check, and when this increment operator reaches 21, it will go and check whether 21 is lesser than 21, the condition failed. So it breaks the while loop and comes out. So let's execute and see. So I print the number from 1 to 20. So this is a use of while loop, and the difference between for loop and while loop is, in for loop you will get to know the number of iteration. If you don't know the number of iteration, then you should go for while loop or do while loop. Okay, so you can make the while loop infinite. For example, if I initialize variable I with 23, suppose I initialize it with value 1, and we just comment out the increment or decrement operator. If I execute that, it will keep on printing the 1 until I terminate the loop. Okay, which means I just make this while loop as infinite. There's another way of making it as infinite. If you just put true here, it makes the while loop infinite. So if you want the iteration to be executed for infinite number of times, you can use this one. You can put a true here and execute. So every time it returns, the condition return true, so it will keep on executing this set of blocks for infinite times, and you can terminate by just clicking this terminate button. Okay, this is all about while loop. Next we will see do while loop. And this is an algorithm of a do while loop. So it just executes the code inside the body of a do while loop. Once the code or set of block gets executed, it checks the condition. If the condition is true, then again it will go and check here and execute the block and again check the condition. As long as it is true, keep on executing the block. Once the condition becomes false, it just breaks the do while loop. So there is a one difference between while loop and do while loop. Here in while loop, at the very first we are checking the condition and we are executing the block only if the condition is true. But here we are just executing the block and at the end of do while loop we are checking the condition. That's the basic difference between while and do while loop. For example, I initialize a variable I with value 1 and I'm creating a do while loop. First you should put 2 and open and curly braces. After that you should put while, and next to while you should add a condition I lesser than 21, and I'm printing the variable I from 1 to 20. So I'm using an increment operator to increment after each iteration. You should terminate with semicolon. Let's execute and see how this works. So it also just print the number from 1 to 20. Okay. But what is the thing which differ from while loop is it check the condition here, but it check the condition here. So that's the difference between while and do while loop. Let's say if we change the condition to I greater than 21, and if I execute this one, it print 1 here because 1 is not greater than 21, so this will return false. But this condition is checking at the end of while loop, so which means this will get executed, then only it will check the condition. Okay, so the difference is the do while loop will get executed at least once even if the condition is false, but while loop will get executed only if the condition is true, otherwise it won't enter into the while loop. So let's execute the same here and see how it works. So I just initialize with 1 and I'm checking condition I is greater than 21. I will comment out. Let me execute and see. So yeah, so it print nothing because I is 1 and 1 is not greater than 21. It return false, so it doesn't even enter inside the loop. But here it just print it for one time and after that it check the condition, but it return false, so it just terminates the do while loop and comes out of it. So that's the basic difference between while and do while loop. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, just drop your doubts in the comment. I will get back to you. And if you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.